In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relink offline media in Premiere Pro. If you've ever opened a project and seen a bunch of red media offline screens where your footage should be, don't worry. This usually happens when Premiere can't find the original files, maybe because they were moved, renamed, or stored on a different drive. The good news is, you don't need to start over. You can simply relink the missing media so your edits stay exactly the same. Start by opening your project in Premiere Pro as you normally would. Take a look at your timeline and your project panel. Anywhere Premiere has lost track of a file, you'll see that bright red media offline graphic instead of your video. These are the clips we're going to fix. Choose one of those offline clips in the timeline or in the project panel and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Link Media and click it. This tells Premiere that you want to reconnect this clip to its original file on your computer. A link media window will pop up. This is where you'll point Premiere to the correct file. In the bottom right of this window, look for the button labeled Locate and click it. When you do, another file browser window will open, showing your computer's folders and drives. Now, navigate through your folders to find the original media file that belongs to that offline clip. It's helpful if you remember where you saved your project assets, such as a dedicated footage or media folder. Once you find the correct file, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, go down to the bottom right of the window and click OK. Premiere Pro will now relink that clip to the file you just chose. In many cases, if other missing files are in the same folder or follow a similar naming pattern, Premiere will automatically find and relink those as well. You'll see the red media offline screens disappear and your clips reappear in the timeline. If some clips are still offline, you can repeat this process for another clip, pointing Premiere to the correct folder again until everything is relinked. And that's it. Once all your media is successfully reconnected, you can continue editing your project as normal without losing any of your previous work.